Hello everyone, welcome back to HVAC official channel. If you're new to the HVAC industry, you've probably heard technical terms like BTU, Ton, Refrigerant, Compressor, Evaporator, Condenser, Superheat, Subcooling, and Static Pressure. At first, these terms can sound confusing. In today's video, I'll explain the most important HVAC basics and technical terminology in simple language. These are the terms every new technician should understand before learning installation, maintenance, or troubleshooting. Let's get started. What does HVAC mean? The word HVAC stands for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. Heating keeps indoor spaces warm during cold weather. Ventilation supplies fresh air and removes stale indoor air. Air conditioning removes heat and humidity to keep indoor spaces comfortable. Together, these three functions create a healthy and comfortable indoor environment. What is refrigerant? A refrigerant is the working fluid inside an air conditioning system. Its job is to absorb heat from inside the building and release that heat outside. During normal operation, the refrigerant continuously changes between liquid and vapor inside a sealed refrigeration circuit. Refrigerant is not normally consumed. If the refrigerant level becomes low, it usually indicates a leak that should be repaired. What is a compressor? The compressor is often called the heart of the HVAC system. It draws in low-pressure refrigerant vapor from the evaporator and compresses it into a high-pressure, high-temperature vapor before sending it to the condenser. Without the compressor, refrigerant cannot circulate through the system. What is an evaporator coil? The evaporator coil is located inside the indoor unit. Warm indoor air passes across the cold evaporator coil. The refrigerant inside the coil absorbs heat from the air, cooling the air before it is supplied back into the room. This is where the cooling process begins. What is a condenser coil? The condenser coil is located in the outdoor unit. Its job is to release the heat carried by the refrigerant into the outside air. The outdoor fan helps move air across the condenser coil, improving heat transfer. What is a BTU? BTU stands for British Thermal Unit. It is a unit used to measure cooling or heating capacity. The higher the BTU rating, the greater the cooling or heating capacity of the air conditioner. What does 1 ton of refrigeration mean? Many beginners think a 1 ton AC refers to the weight of the unit. This is incorrect. A 1 ton air conditioner has a cooling capacity of approximately 12,000 British thermal units per hour, while a 1.5 ton AC provides about 18,000 British thermal units per hour, and a 2 ton AC provides about 24,000 British thermal units per hour. What is airflow? Airflow is the amount of air moved by the indoor blower through the HVAC system. Proper airflow is essential for efficient cooling and heating. Dirty filters, blocked coils, or faulty blower fans can reduce airflow and lower system performance. What is thermostat? A thermostat is the control device that senses room temperature. When the room temperature rises above the set point, it signals the AC to cool the room. Once the desired temperature is reached, it adjusts or stops cooling depending on the system design. What is superheat? Superheat is the temperature of the refrigerant vapor above its saturation temperature after it leaves the evaporator. HVAC technicians use superheat measurements to help evaluate refrigerant system performance and ensure the evaporator is operating correctly. What is subcooling? Subcooling is the amount by which liquid refrigerant is cooled below its saturation temperature after leaving the condenser. Subcooling is another important measurement used to evaluate system performance according to the manufacturer's charging procedures. Why is HVAC terminology important? Every HVAC technician should understand these basic terms before learning installation or troubleshooting. If you don't understand the terminology, diagnosing faults, reading service manuals, communicating with other technicians, and answering interview questions becomes much more difficult. Strong knowledge of HVAC fundamentals builds the foundation for becoming a skilled technician. Conclusion. Today we learned some of the most important HVAC terms, including HVAC, refrigerant, compressor, evaporator, condenser, BTU, ton of refrigeration, airflow, thermostat, superheat, and subcooling. These are the basic concepts every new technician should master before moving on to advanced topics such as troubleshooting, installation, and refrigeration diagnostics. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to HVAC Official Channel.